Welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll be solving question 268 missing number. So the problem statement states that given an array nums contains n distinct numbers ranging from 0 to n, return the only number that is missing in the array. So the array contains all the numbers between 0 to n except a number, and we need to return that missing number. Okay, you can see the examples. Nums is 301 and the length of the array is 3. So the array should contain all the elements between 0 to 3, but 2 is missing, hence we are returning true. Here 0 and 1, the length is 2, the element should be 0, 1, 2, and the missing is 2. Similarly here 8 is missing, hence we are returning 8. So we can solve this using set data structure. So what we're going to do is we'll add all the elements in the all the elements from the nums in the set, and then iterate again from 0 to n, and then check if it's in the set. If it's not in the set, we can return the missing number. So let's create the set. We'll create a set data structure. Now we'll iterate over the array for I in nums. I'll add the number. I know because all the elements are going to be unique in 0 to n, hence wouldn't get any issues. Now I'll iterate from 0 to n. Technically I need to iterate over n plus 1, so it goes from 0 to n. Now if I is not in the set, I'll return that element. So I'm just iterating from 0 to n. If that element is not in the set, I'm gonna return the. So let's run this. Okay, n is not defined. N should be the length of the array nums. Let's run it again. Yeah, all the test cases are passed. Let's submit the solution. Yeah, it's been accepted. Okay, there is a follow-up question as well. Can you implement the solution in 0 of 1's extra space complexity? Since we are using the set, there's an extra space complexity of O n. So let's try to reduce that. So we are gonna, the solution is using simple max. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the sum of all the elements in the array nums, and the sum between all the elements between 0 to n, and the difference would be the missing number. So let's declare the value sum of the array, it is 0, and the actual sum, that is the sum between 0 to n, that's going to be 0. So I'll iterate over the loop for in the range from 0 to n. N is going to be the length of the array. So the sum array will contain all the elements, and the actual sum add 1, and finally will return the actual sum minus sum of the array. Here we're not using any data structure except these two variables. That's going to be of 1 space complexity. So let's run this and check. Yeah, the test cases are all passed, and let's submit the solution. Yeah, it's been accepted. Thank you for watching.